All right, we've made it out here, Riverside Park. We're about ready to go do some e-bike riding on the Centennial Trail. We're gonna go check that out. Come along with us. Let's go see what it's got to offer. All right, we've made a stop here. Deep Creek overlook right behind us up there. We're gonna go check that out. Saw a little offshoot side trail here, so I figured, let's go see what this overlook's about. So we're looking over the Deep Creek, which also could be confused with Dry Creek because it is pretty dry. But this overlook here is pretty cool. And then there's people actually on the other side over there actually hiking, so you can get on that other side somehow. I don't know how.
Probably go around where the way we came. It probably circles over.
Yeah, maybe.
Or has another connection like down below had. You never know. There's lots of mysterious ways up here.
But the ride so far has been pretty good.
Yep, it's warm.
And it's like 90, so it's pretty hot. But if you are not riding an e-bike on this Centennial Trail, I would assume, at least the section that we're on, it could be pretty brutal in a couple of spots. But the e-bike is definitely paying off and helping out in the times where we need it, so it's pretty cool. So
yeah, there's some inclines for sure. But it's mostly shaded, so it's not like you're right in the sun. We obviously at this outlook are right in the sun, so it's a bit warm, but we're doing pretty good, I think, for the heat.
Yeah, the shade was actually really nice, just kind of breezing right along. So all right, we're gonna go keep exploring down this trail a little bit more. All right, so we just turned back around. Got about 3 to 4 miles deep. We're gonna turn back around and head back. But this is a great trail so far. Definitely has its challenges, but definitely some great scenery. It's definitely a wonderful trail to be able to come out to out here in outside of Spokane. So. All right, so we made it back to the truck. We have finished our little ride here at Riverside Park. E-bikes, complete success, was an amazing time. The e-bikes are just great. We did start at Sontag Park. It's on the end of the Centennial Trail, worked down a little ways, did that and came back. And like I said, supposedly that's the harder section to do. We did pretty good with it. So definitely check out this whole drive or this whole ride. That whole trail looks to be probably pretty awesome. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you're notified so when we do cool videos like this, you won't miss it. And until then, we'll see you guys in the next adventure.